Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ape 2.0 token. Now obviously 2.0 tokens are all the rage right now, even 3.0, and I see some 4.0 tokens starting to pop up. But yeah, this token is going to go live for pre-sale very shortly on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. Ape 2.0. It says experienced team, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, first day. First come, first serve. Pool will be closed when timer ends, of course, or when it reaches 400 BNB. So that is the hard cap for this pre-sale, and now we know that this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Trending on all social platforms, 0 and 3 tax, 0% team tokens, 100% in liquidity. Ape, if you're a real ape, heavy marketing at launch. So, like I said, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. Looks like it's going to be a public pre-sale. Max contribution is only 0.35 BNB, so no whales. And then we got pre-sale start time is happening exactly July 10th, 6 hours, 6 minutes UTC time, and goes until July 11th, 11:11 UTC time. So pretty soon, this pre-sale will start in under a day, so go check it out on PinkSale if you're interested. Now, if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Ape 2.0 token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is ape20.vip. Now, you won't have to change slippage too much for buys, but if you sell the token, it says there is a 3% tax, so you'll probably have to set your slippage somewhere around 3% if you're going to sell the token. Now, for updates, I would follow their Twitter at ape20bsc or their Telegram, which is at ape2_0bsc. Their official webpage, ape20.vip. If you go over there, you can find a full white paper. Now, there's 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply is a little bit over, let me see here, that is 327.6 trillion tokens. So soft cap for this pre-sale is just like 1.1 BNB. So as soon as they pass that, it's a successful pre-sale. And it says liquidity is only going to be locked on PancakeSwap for 36 days. So that's not very long. So hopefully they do extend that. So I would follow their socials to make sure that they do extend that liquidity lock, because that's only just over 1 month that they're locking the tokens on PancakeSwap. So yeah, hopefully they extend that. Token Metrics says 28.41% of the tokens will be burnt. 67.36% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 32.63% of the tokens go to liquidity. Now, their webpage has links to DEX, Tools, Chart, PinkSale, BSC Scan, Twitter, Telegram, contract address, Buy Ape 2.0, and DEX View. They also have white paper, community section, roadmap, tokenomics, and info. So, they have a whole bunch of info at ape20.gitbook.io. That's where you can find all their documents. Welcome to Ape 2.0, the evolution of decentralized finance and the next chapter in the Ape project's journey. Ape 2.0 is more than just a token. It represents a community-driven movement towards innovation, inclusivity, and sustainable growth. In an ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, Ape 2.0 aims to redefine the possibilities of DeFi and empower individuals to take control of their financial future. Through a combination of cutting-edge technology, community engagement, and strategic partnerships, Ape 2.0 strives to create a vibrant ecosystem that benefits all participants. With lessons learned from the past and a vision of the future, Ape 2.0 embodies the spirit of evolution and adaptation. We believe in the power of decentralization, transparency, and community collaboration to drive meaningful change in the world of finance. Join us on this exciting journey as we unleash the potential of Ape 2.0 and pave the way for a new era of decentralized finance. Together, we can shape the future and empower individuals to take control of their own destiny. Are you ready? Now, tokenomics. It says here, total supply was 420,690 billion tokens, but then on Pink Sale it's got a different number, so that's strange there. But I would go by the Pink Sale one. The Pink Sale one is mostly probably going off their BSC scan numbers, so that one is most likely correct. Now, their 3% tax, it says, it is for liquidity provision, marketing efforts, community development, and sustainability. And besides that, they have a roadmap on here. Talking about, first they're going to have create their fair launch, then marketing, Pancake Swap listing after that, multiple DEX trendings, buy-bot trendings, collaboration with influencers, AveDex listing, more holders, and yeah, so this is very much a meme token. There's not a lot of utility to this token here. They have a talk about their community where they're all about inclusivity, collaboration, community-driven decisions. So, there's going to be most likely some sort of DAO, or hopefully you'll get some sort of voting rights and vote on proposals and whatnot. Education and awareness, social channels. It says events and rewards, so you could get rewards. Then it says join the Ape community today. Yeah, check out their socials. Check this token out. They will start their pre-sale soon, in under a day here. And they do have a support email if you want to contact them at the bottom of their webpage, ape20.vip. But yeah, check this token out on Pink Sale, and then shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancake Swap for purchase. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.